When a good dog comes around, you must pet them. Never mind that, you must feed them. Boom, 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 boom. Give me treats. Boom, 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 boom. Lots of treats. Boom, 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 boom. Where's the treats? Boom, 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 boom. You said there'd be treats. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Welcome to the Jason Luna Show. It's only a few weeks until Comic-Con, but who's counting? Not me. I never count. You want to know the reasons why I don't count? Number one, I see what you're trying to get me to do here, but I will not go in to successive numbers. Okay, I gotta make sure there's no number lists on this. We'll be right back. Are you tired of standing? My legs are fully extended. And for what? Now introducing sitting. Wow. This is the second best thing that happened to me today. The first was, that's tricky. You get me into ordinals. That's counting. No more counting. Now it's time for Pungazing. The topic of the day, parrots. That's right. It's time to talk about the birds to talk about what they've heard. Have you heard that Four Seasons song about a parrot? Oh, baby, squawk like a bird. Haven't you heard? I'm a parrot myself. What does a parrot use to treat its rashes? Tropical ointment. Where does a parrot go in the house of an animatronic Disney parrot in order to fix water issues? Yeah, that's right. Go right over there to the leaky room. In Adventureland, what's a parrot's favorite musical? Hello, Dolly. Want a cracker? Here are some famous parrots throughout history real quick for you. We got Elizabeth Parrot Browning. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Squawk, summer's day. And she doesn't need feathered hair. She's just got feathers for hair. It's the star of Charlie's Angels, Parrot Fawcett. Oh, so beautiful. Star of SNL. Bird food has been a birdie, good to him. It's Parrot Morris. One for the kids. A pro wrestler. There's also a name pun. Jeff Parrot. If you know it, be sure to parrot it to your friends and give me credit. And of course, lastly, that famous 19th century duo, Pat Parrot and Billy the Little Baby Parrot, Old West Criminal Bird. I shot a parrot, but I did not shoot a cockatiel. Good night, everybody.